Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to scale the site image to your building. So import the screenshot of the site that you have and place it wherever you want. And you notice I got the 50-foot scale in there so it would be a lot easier to scale the image. So I'm gonna press DL and draw a detailed line. As you can see, it's not exactly 50 feet, so I do need to scale the image. So I'm gonna type in 50 feet, so the line is 50 feet. I'm gonna move the line over so it matches the scale. It starts at the very beginning of the scale. So I'm gonna go to modify and click the scale button. And I need to select the image that I want to scale. And then my next point to select, I'm going to select the very beginning of the line to the scale feet at the 50-foot mark, and then to the end of my line, so it scales exactly. And when you're done clicking that, you can see that the line matches the scale on the picture, and you scaled your image correctly. So now you just need to move it over to match your building and your design. So yeah, there you go. That's how you scale an image.